here we are, Nancy today. The sun has already set, I think. Maybe it's still setting. But we are here on the lake kayaking now. And there are loons on the lake who at this time do begin to make a lot of song. Fishermen are out. That must be the young loon with him. Wow, isn't that pretty? I guess I should tell you the date is August 18th. I guess the month is going on, isn't it? Is that open all the way? No, it wasn't open. You couldn't see everything. Okay, maybe you can see them now. Very hard to see them, isn't it? They are straight ahead of me. It's the male and the baby, or the adult and the baby. And above them is a gull in the air. I guess the sun hasn't set. I was wrong again. That was the only time I was wrong all day. Yeah, that's right. It's the only one you're going to know about anyway. Truly, I was wrong once. I know, it was really embarrassing. So I decided never to do it again. It's a good idea. People get their water from the lake in this bucket. It's tied to a big brick. It shows the end of their water tube. Can you see all those little shiny dots in the water? Those little bugs. They're all sitting in the sun. Now, not this little bird right there, but this one that's going to take off. made them all scattered. That's what we humans do. Change the environment around us. We prove that we have an effect on things. That we really do exist. Oh look, there's the cardinal flowers. Somebody told me that cardinal flowers have to have running water. Is this running water? Is a lake considered running water? They're quite pretty, aren't they? Oh, no, we don't want to get up on it. There's the Indian rock. There's another cardinal flower. That's quite a few of them. That's a whole little flock of them. A cluster. How do you say a gathering of flowers? You say a group? A herd? A kettle? A cluster? It appears that they're all from different... Hey, look at this. They have little tiny white dots on them right in here. Right up above the flower. It looks like a little piece of, a little drop of water. Can you see that? The little dots that look like water? Those are flowers. This is where you would imagine a deer coming running down that hill. Legend has it that's where the Indians came and sat, had their council on that rock. Okay, let's see what we can see. Let's see fishermen fishing over there. And you can see the loons way out there. I know you can't, but I can. The sky's pretty blue. It's getting chilly out. It's going to be near frost. Not quite though, it'll be a little above it, so we won't have a frost yet. Water is just like glass. Ooh, that is a fish. The fishermen are up ahead. I can barely see them. I can barely see them in this camera. Okay, that's it for this one. Bye.